Okay, for this one, this is -1 2/3 to the third power. So we are multiplying everything in the parentheses by itself 3 times. So this is what it looks like expanded. And in order to do this multiplication, we're going to want to change this into an improper fraction. Thankfully, we only have to do it one time because these are all the same number. So this is going to turn into 3 times 1 plus 2. All of that over 3. And that equals -5/3. So if we update this problem, it's going to be -5/3 times -5/3 times -5/3. So we're doing that 3 times. All right, I'm going to break this up into pieces. So we're going to focus on the first 2 first. I'm going to put the rest of it in a box and save it for later. So if I multiply the first 2 numbers together, these are 2 numbers that have the same sign because I have 2 negative numbers. So I know that whatever I end up getting there is going to be a positive. So whatever these 2 are, it's going to be a positive number. So I'm going to put that in there to remind myself. And I'll do this work off to the side. Times -5/3. That is -5 times -5/3 times 3. And that gives me 25/9. So I'm going to put that in the highlighted box. Bring down everything I was saving for later. And now I have this multiplication problem. For this problem, I have a positive number multiplied by a negative number, and that's multiplication with different signs. So my answer that I get at the end, I'm going to draw an answer box here. My answer is going to be negative because I'm multiplying 2 numbers with different signs. Okay, so this multiplication problem ends up being 25 times -5 on top, 9 times 3 on the bottom. That is, let's see, I think that's 125, -125 over 27. Okay, so now we want to simplify. We're going to do 125 divided by 27. And when we're doing division like this, it's really helpful to have a list on the side, so we kind of have some numbers to choose from. So let's see, this is 54, 81, 27 times 4 is 108. I'm going to see if that's as far as I need to go. I might have to add to this. Let's go to 5. Okay. So I can see that the highest number that I can take out is 4. So I'm going to put that up here. 108. Gives me 17. Okay, so that's all I really needed. I have my whole number right here. And then I have my denominator, and then I have my numerator. So this is my final answer. And I remember that this is negative because I put that in my answer box to remind me.